Section 1. The power of Amazon. Reviews. Turning influence into income. Amazon reviews hold immense power in the e-commerce world. They influence purchasing decisions and shape consumer opinions. What if you could leverage your Amazon reviews to generate income? It's entirely possible with the right strategies. By creating engaging video content around your reviews, you can tap into a lucrative revenue stream. This is where Amazon review channels come into play. These channels, primarily hosted on platforms like YouTube, provide a platform to share your insights and monetize your influence. The key is to go beyond simple product demonstrations. Instead, focus on creating valuable content that guides viewers through their purchase journey. Think comprehensive reviews, insightful comparisons, and helpful tutorials. By providing genuine value to your audience, you establish trust and credibility. This trust is the foundation for successful monetization. When viewers perceive you as a reliable source of information, they are more likely to engage with your recommendations and ultimately make purchases through your affiliate links. Remember, authenticity is paramount. Viewers can spot disingenuous endorsements from a mile away. Be transparent about your affiliations and only recommend products you genuinely believe in. This approach not only maintains your integrity, but also fosters a loyal following. Authenticity resonates with viewers, creating a stronger connection and increasing the likelihood of conversions. Section 2. Affiliate Marketing, your gateway to monetization. Affiliate marketing is a cornerstone of monetizing Amazon review channels. It's a performance-based model where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Amazon Associates is a popular program that provides a vast selection of products to promote. By strategically incorporating affiliate links within your video descriptions, you can seamlessly guide viewers to make purchases. The key is to make the integration as organic as possible. Instead of simply plastering links, weave them naturally into your content. For instance, when discussing a product feature, mention that you'll leave an affiliate link in the description for viewers to check it out. Transparency is crucial here. Clearly disclose that you earn a commission from qualifying purchases made through your links. This disclosure not only builds trust with your audience but also ensures compliance with platform guidelines. Don't limit yourself to single product links. Explore Amazon's storefront feature, which allows you to curate collections of products relevant to your niche. This provides viewers with a convenient way to browse and purchase multiple items, potentially increasing your earnings. Remember, the success of your affiliate marketing efforts hinges on the quality of your content. Section 3. Mastering affiliate links, strategies for success. The placement of your affiliate links can significantly impact their effectiveness. Instead of randomly scattering them throughout your video description, adopt a strategic approach. Place your primary affiliate links prominently at the top of your description, ensuring maximum visibility. These links should direct viewers to the main product or storefront featured in your video. To enhance visibility further, consider using bold text or emojis to draw attention to your links. In addition to the primary links, incorporate contextual links within your video description. As you mention specific products or accessories throughout your review, provide corresponding affiliate links alongside those mentions. This makes it easy for viewers to find and purchase the exact items they are interested in. Diversifying your affiliate links is another smart strategy. While Amazon Associates is a primary choice, explore other affiliate programs related to your niche. This expands your product offerings and provides alternative options for your audience. Remember, relevance is key. Promote products that align with your channel's theme and cater to your audience's interests. For example, if you review tech gadgets, consider partnering with electronics retailers or software providers. Section 4. Sponsored Content. Collaborating with brands. As your Amazon review channel gains traction, you open doors to exciting opportunities like sponsored content. Brands are always seeking influential voices to promote their products or services. Sponsored content involves partnering with brands to create videos featuring their offerings. These collaborations can take various forms, from dedicated product reviews to brand integrations within existing content formats. When approached for sponsored content, prioritize authenticity and relevance. Only collaborate with brands that align with your channel's niche and resonate with your audience's interests. Transparency is paramount in sponsored content. Clearly disclose your partnership with the brand in your video, both verbally and through written disclaimers. This disclosure maintains transparency with your audience and ensures compliance with platform guidelines. Negotiate fair compensation for your time, effort, and reach. Rates can vary depending on factors like your channel size, engagement levels, and the scope of the campaign. Don't undervalue your worth. Remember, you've built a valuable platform, and brands are willing to invest in your influence. While sponsored content offers lucrative potential, it's crucial to strike a balance. Section 5. Building your brand, the key to sustainable income. While monetization is a primary goal, focus on building a strong brand for long-term success. Your brand is more than just a name or a logo, it's the perception viewers have of you and your content. Consistency is key to building a recognizable brand. Establish a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Whether it's weekly reviews or daily updates, stick to a predictable routine. Develop a unique style that sets you apart from the competition. This could be your video editing style, your presentation approach, or even your choice of music. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and fostering a sense of community. Building a strong brand fosters trust and loyalty, which translates into long-term monetization success. Think beyond individual videos. Develop a content strategy that caters to your target audience's interests and needs. Research popular keywords, explore trending topics, and listen to your viewers' suggestions. By consistently delivering high-quality, relevant content, you solidify your position as a trusted authority in your niche. Section 6. Engaging your audience, the heart of your channel. Audience engagement is the lifeblood of any successful YouTube channel. It's not enough to simply upload videos. You need to cultivate an active and engaged community around your content. Encourage viewers to interact by asking questions, prompting discussions, and running contests or giveaways. Respond to comments and messages promptly, showing your viewers that you value their input. Utilize YouTube's community features to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Post polls, quizzes, and behind-the-scenes content to keep them engaged between video uploads. Consider hosting live Q&A sessions to address viewer questions and foster a sense of real-time interaction. Engaging content fosters a sense of community and encourages viewers to return for more. Analyze your channel's analytics to understand your audience's viewing habits and preferences. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. Use this data to tailor your content strategy, optimize your video titles and descriptions, and deliver content that resonates with your target viewers. Remember, audience engagement is not just about numbers. Section 7. Optimizing video content, reaching a wider audience. Optimizing your video content for search engines is crucial for attracting a wider audience. Utilize relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Research popular search terms related to your niche and incorporate them naturally into your content. Create compelling thumbnails that accurately represent your videos and entice viewers to click. Use high-quality images and bold text to grab attention. Write concise and informative video descriptions that provide context and highlight key takeaways. Include relevant keywords naturally within your descriptions to improve search visibility. Leverage YouTube's end screens and cards to promote other videos, playlists, or calls to action. Guide viewers to related content and encourage them to explore your channel further. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel and enable notifications. This ensures they stay updated on your latest content. Promote your videos across your social media platforms to extend your reach beyond YouTube. Share teasers, behind-the-scenes snippets, and exclusive content to entice viewers to visit your channel. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to video optimization. Section 8. YouTube's role expanding your reach. While Amazon review channels primarily revolve around product reviews, don't limit yourself to a single platform. YouTube serves as a powerful tool to expand your reach and diversify your content. Explore different video formats beyond traditional reviews. Consider creating unboxing videos, product comparisons, tutorials, or even vlogs related to your niche. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to tap into new audiences. Cross-promote each other's channels, guest star in each other's videos, or co-create content that benefits both parties. Engage with your YouTube viewers just as actively as you do on your Amazon review channel. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community. Utilize YouTube's analytics to track your channel's performance and identify areas for improvement. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources. Use this data to refine your content strategy, optimize your video SEO, and deliver content that resonates with your target audience. Remember, YouTube is a dynamic platform.